Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to download GTA San Andreas on PC or laptop for free. First, visit a reputable website offering the game for free download. Then download the game installer from the website. Next, extract the downloaded files using a file extraction tool. Then run the setup file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, launch the game from the desktop shortcut or installation directory. Adjust the game settings according to your preferences. Now, start a new game and enjoy playing GTA San Andreas. Ensure your antivirus software is active to scan downloaded files for safety. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.